Welcome to the video lesson Development of a Mini Collection of Fabrics. This session is entitled Fashion Design Education and Training. Since the 90s, that the technical revolution has been taking place in the world of textiles and fashion. Software for use in the fashion and textiles industry has become increasingly sophisticated and widely spread. This period of rapid change coincided with the introduction of powerful and relatively inexpensive computers, systems, and graphics software, offering a multitude of tools and techniques for sketching, design, and image editing. The computer is an extension of one's hand and an aid to the creativity and visualization. In their early beginnings, it was a way of ensuring the transition from 2D design process to 3D manufacture. The requirement to interlink the design and manufacturing process can be seen specifically in areas such as knitting, weaving, and embroidery. CAD has impacted enormously on the way the products are planned and designed, and files sent to external outsourced production units fully documented. CAD software can be used to produce accurate drawings of a textile product and its components. They enable the user to design prototype garments in a 2D or 3D format, which allows all viewpoints to be looked at using a rotating facility. Areas of the design can also be enlarged and amended on screen. CAD apparel and textile software specifically offers the designer a complete design software solution. It gives the designer the tools and techniques to digitally create designs from the initial concept to final presentation. Here are listed some of the most recognized capabilities. Creating quick sketches and fashion illustrations. Creating mini bodies, croquis, and line drawings for presentation storyboards. Creating and managing various colorways and color palettes. Using and adapting the latest style trends and seasonal color palettes. Creating and simulating print designs, knits, and woven fabric swatches from libraries and from scratch. Designing in repeat. Working with style and trim libraries. Editing images, scans, and photographs. Creating individual portfolios. Working with 3D images to create collections and virtual fashion shows. Drafting 2D patterns and creating virtual 3D samples from those patterns. Creating and viewing simulated garments on the body to evaluate fit. Realistically simulating the drape of the fabric. And finally, sharing collections with buyers, suppliers, and retailers within the industry and globally. A comparison between the pre-CAD with design process and with CAD with design process can be summarized as follows. In the traditional design process, we pass through the following stages: definition of the design concept and fabric requirements, detailed description of the fabric design, weaving and testing of a sample, customer approval, and finally mass production. Whereas, with the CAD design process, we only need 3 stages, which are definition of the design concept and fabric requirements, print out or email the fabric design and specifications to the customer, customer approval, and finally mass production. In sum, it is easily to perceive the advantages that result from the use of a CAD system: increased productivity, reduced product development time, increased creativity to conceptual designs, high product design capabilities, reduced cost of samples and prototypes, reduced turnaround time. There are a great many number of fashion and textile software programs designed specifically for the small business and freelance designers. Those suites have been developed to integrate all areas of textile and apparel design. Since CAD systems are manufactured by different companies, there are different solutions with various models available. The most common are textile design systems, knitted fabric systems, printed fabric systems, embroidery systems, illustration sketchpad systems, texture mapping 2.5D 3D draping systems, digitizing systems, grading systems, marker making systems, plotting systems, and cutting operations. And that concludes our lesson. I'm hoping that you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for your time and attention.